another session of learning English with BodhiSutra. Today, we are going to take a look at a conversation between two office colleagues. Let's begin. Talking to a colleague in office, casual conversation. Hello, Sudhir. Long time? Yes, I was away. You mean you weren't coming to the office? Yes, I was on leave for 2 weeks. What happened? All good? Yes. Actually, my cousin got married last week. But 2 weeks off for a cousin's wedding? Yes, we were very close in childhood. He wanted me to be there with him. Interesting. Where did this marriage take place? In Rudraprayag. That's in the hills, no? Yes, in Uttaranchal. Must be a beautiful place. It is. A lot of greenery, fresh air, and hills. I wish I could live in the hills. Life in hills is kind of slow, but peaceful, right? And you get fresh fruits and vegetables. That's true. Everything is locally produced. So you get fresh stuff. I wish our company opens an office in the hills. Now, that would be fun. Yes, plus when we climb up and down the hills, our fitness levels will improve too. Stop dreaming, okay? I know we need to live in this metro. Crowd, traffic, and pollution. Well, metro life also has its own advantages. I see no advantage in metro life. Well, you get the best medical facilities, education facilities, and entertainment. But we also get pollution, which makes us sick. Pollution is indeed a big problem. Even the fruits and vegetables we get are grown with pesticides. That's true. Do you know a lot of modern diseases are caused by eating such fruits and vegetables? Yes, chemical fertilizers and pesticides make them toxic. The more we eat them, the more harm we do to our bodies. What can you do? You can't grow vegetables in your apartment, can you? Of course not, but think of keeping myself healthy. And how do you do that? I wash all my vegetables and fruits thoroughly before consuming them. These things can be done with everyone working from home due to COVID, it may be possible to stay in hills and still do your job. A change of scene helps keep our mind fresh. Now, that would be awesome, wouldn't it? Of course, it will be. In fact, I am going to ask the boss to allow me to work from home even after COVID. But why will he allow that? Many companies are already doing it. Really? Of course. And it makes sense for the companies too. You save on rent, facilities, etc. Yes, that is indeed a great idea. Think about it. Work during the day, then a walk in hills in the morning and evenings. I love this idea already. Yeah, 100%. I am going to ask the boss to allow me to work from home as well. Don't tell him I gave you this idea. Definitely not. All right, we'll catch you in the evening. Yep, bye. All right, so this was a conversation between two office colleagues speaking to each other in a casual manner. I hope you all understood this conversation. To catch more such conversation, let's come back with a new topic. Until then, goodbye.